spacious, updated home located at 1311 Fayetteville Road, Rockingham. Home is updated with thermal-pane windows, gas pack, central air on main floor. Spacious, open kitchen with recessed lighting. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with spacious laundry room. Walking distance to downtown. Home is listed for only $118,000.